This is a 2009 Toyota Tacoma. Me doing some work on it for the wheel hub assembly. The left and right side is the same. So with that being said, this is for my people in Africa, the Philippines, and Thailand. Some of my friends out there. So with that being said, anyone else that sees this is fine. If you need a little bit of help, a little bit of assistance, message me in my inbox, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Just a little bit update. This is almost a whole thing in which I did. So I hope you like it.